Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to turn off color correction shortcut that we set up some time earlier, or someone did it for us and we don't want it to be here. So right now on the bottom right corner we have our color correction shortcut setup. To disable this shortcut we have to go to settings, then we're looking for accessibility options, and in accessibility options we have visibility enhancements, and in visibility enhancements color correction. As you can see, now it's turned off and now it's on. We are using still shortcut. Here is our shortcut. So to make our shortcut disappear or turn off, option to switch our colors, we just uncheck this little box there, and that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.